today we're going to learn about struct and enums in C. Okay, so now we just set up our basic C program. So anyways, structs, if you know another language, there's also like classes, so like custom data structures. Okay, so type def struct. So yeah, then you put brackets, then here you write the name. So let's call it person. So we have to write the values in here. So int name, int age, and yeah, you know, like the normal stuff. So anyways, I'm gonna put person pers is equal to, and say so let's just say person pers, and okay, so a pers dot name is equal to pers, and pers dot age is equal to this number. So let's print an integer. So what is this integer? It's gonna be pers dot age. So now if we run it, it's gonna write this number. Okay, so yeah, this says int name. It's supposed to be char name, because well that's the way to represent strings anyways, so yeah. So now let's run it. Okay, whatever. So yeah, so now let's print a character, and that character is gonna be pers.name. Let me just change this. Now print it. So yeah, let me also add a /n, \n. So now it prints the age and the name. So anyways, yeah, that's basically how to use structs. So the next one we're going to learn about is our enums. So to create an enum, let me just to create an enum. Here we need to write enum. Let's call it level. So we're gonna write low, medium, high. So an enum is like a list of constants. Yeah, also it's recommended to use capital letters, but it's not necessary. We recommend it because well, they're constant. Constants usually use capital letters. Oh yeah, speaking of constants, you can make a variable constant by writing a constant for it. Then we'll be able to change. So anyways, about the enums, I'm gonna say enum level. Let's call the variable enum, and then we'll set it to low. Now printf, we'll say D for well, I don't know, maybe data. And we're gonna to enum, and then we're just gonna put a semicolon, and so now it should print 0. So low is 0 here. Let's use medium. Medium is 1, and you probably know by now high will be 2. Those are the default values for enums. But if you want, you could change those values. So instead of low being 0, you can write low is equal to 50. So now if we print low, low is gonna equal to 50. So let me just change it. Now saying is equal to 0. Low 25, medium 50, high 75, and all 100. Oh yeah, you can put a comma here if you want, but well, let's just not do that because it's more elegant. You print all, so print 100. So yeah, anyway, that's gonna be today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.